Don't take it personally. Terrible.
He's so convinced Skittles is a human.
Code red is a job.
One that just loves to roll.
Are you looking for something?